Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy S23 Plus is not here at Verizon Prepaid, so currently the lavender option is not in stock right now. So you guys will have the option between Phantom Black, cream and green color options are currently in stock as I'm recording this video. So the 256 white Galaxy S23 is $999.99. Then the 512GB version is $1119.99. So you guys will have 3 colors to choose from as I'm recording this video. Hopefully when this video goes live on YouTube, all colors will be available to be purchased. Alright. So yeah, there is the Galaxy S23 Plus. It looks like the Galaxy S23, but with a slightly bigger screen there. So you guys got the front and back there. Front of the phone has your hold points for your front facing camera there, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Back of the phone has your triple camera system, camera flash, and your Samsung logo. Alright. There's the front there, like I said, front facing camera, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Alright. That's the front, back, triple camera system, camera flash, Samsung logo. The left side has nothing. The right side, power button, volume keys, like I mentioned. And keep in mind, you do have a bit of a camera bump there in the back, so be mindful of that, alright? So the Galaxy S23 Plus is 3 inches in width, 6.21 inches in height, up to 27.61 hours on 4G, and up to 21.83 hours on 5G. I rate 300 hours of standby time. Y'all guys will have portrait mode, portrait video, single take, night mode, director's view, pro mode, pro video mode, camera, and you do get 3 cameras in the back like you do on the Galaxy S23, and they're all the same spec cameras. So y'all guys will have a 50 megapixel wide camera with optical image stabilization, autofocus f1.8 aperture, 10 megapixel telephoto camera, 3 times optical zoom, optical image stabilization, autofocus f2.4 aperture, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, fixed focus, f2.2 aperture, and of course it has a camera flash, 30 times space zoom camera. Alright. Meet the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, the phone that takes you out of the everyday and into the epic. Life doesn't wait for the perfect lighting, but with night photography, you are always ready to seize the moment and snap photos like a pro. See your content clearly, no matter the time of day, on the display with a refresh rate up to 120 Hz. And adaptive vision booster. Capture and create enrich detail, and then share, and then use quick share to share across devices without losing quality. And now you can pair it with Verizon's ultra fast 5G ultra wideband network. Do more of what you love with S23 Plus and the network America relies on. Alright. Yeah, I wish Verizon would make these text a bit bigger for people to see, because I'm having a hard time seeing this text here. So it says here, capture the night, even in low light. Make it a night to remember with stunning night photography. Night mode lets you capture brilliant selfies and picture perfect portraits no matter the lighting. Capture lifelike memories with the high resolution camera. Share every detail of life's most share-worthy moments with the impressive 50 megapixel high resolution camera only found on Galaxy. So it looks like they were doing basically the Galaxy S23 feature list again here. So that's pretty interesting. Do more, faster. Whether you are working hard or playing hard or doing both at the same time. Smoothly switch between apps. with the fastest processor ever. Plus you can game at full throttle with their processor paired with massive internal storage. And if you're on the move, you can keep going with a screen that adapts to your environment. Powered through with a long-lasting battery. Confidently binge watch, game, or surf without worry about your phone's battery percentage. The impressive 4,700 mAh battery will keep you going longer. More storage, more memory saved. Don't worry about running out of space. With an impressive amount of storage starting at 256 gigs or 512 gigs, you can enjoy being behind the camera without the stress that comes with getting close to filling up your phone. Watch your content in any light with Vision Booster. Watch your content comfortably as Vision Booster helps your screen adapt to your environment, whether out in direct sunlight or in bed with the lights off. The contrast on S23 Plus separate expansive screen still looks amazing. Collaborate with ease using Google Meet. Keep your video chats and group conversations going wherever you are with Galaxy S23 Plus and Google Meet. Whether you are having a video meeting with your team or your friends, use Google Meet to start a video chat on your tab and then continue the call on your phone as you head out the door. Send large files fast with QuickShare. Send even your largest files, whether it's funny videos or work documents, between your Galaxy and any iOS or Android device. QuickShare helps minimize frustration when sharing the epic. Pair and switch seamlessly on the Galaxy connected experience. Simply pop in your Galaxy Buds and start a show with auto switch. Your Galaxy Buds immediately switch to whatever Galaxy device you're using, whether that's your Galaxy Tab or Smart TV. You can also do more when you pair with your Galaxy Watch. Specs. There's your side ratings there on top. The height of the Galaxy S23 Plus 6.21 inches. The width 3 inches, depth 0.3 inches. The weight of the Galaxy S23 Plus 6.91 ounces. My bad. And it has Type-C for charging. 4 color options: Phantom Black, Cream, Green, and Lavender. Glass and metal materials. 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Usage time 27.6 hours on 4G and 21.83 hours on 5G. 4,700 mAh battery. It does have fast charge, wireless charging, and power save. Of course, that's pretty much standard now. It records in 4K videos on the front, 4K and 8K videos on the back camera. Android 13 with One UI 5.1. You have 2 storage options: 256 gigs or 512 gigabytes of storage. There is no SD card slot. Mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. Fingerprint and facial recognition. Mobility, switch access. I'm not sure what that is. Visual. This is like accessibility settings, so that's pretty cool. You guys get magnification, text and display, talk back, select to speak. Global and roaming network. Wi-Fi. It has tri-band Wi-Fi with Wi-Fi 6E and 6 support. So it has the latest Wi-Fi configurations on here, so that's pretty cool. It does have 5G nationwide. Processor Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Google Assistant as your voice assistant, of course. 12 megapixel front-facing camera with autofocus at 2.2 aperture, 300 hours of standby time. It does have 5G ultra wideband. World device screen 6.6 inches, Full HD plus, dynamic AMOLED 2 times Gorilla Glass Victus 2, flat display. Bluetooth 5.3. HairNet compatibility is there. Camera modes, portrait mode, portrait video, single take, night mode, director's view, pro mode, pro video mode. Rear camera, 50 megapixel wide angle camera, 10 megapixel telephoto, and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera on the back. 120 Hz refresh rate, so pretty much sending stuff on the phone there. If you guys need help with your Galaxy S23 Plus, Verizon is here to help you out with that. It says here, Verizon Wireless support helps you better Verizon Wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. What comes in your box is your Galaxy S23 Plus, Type-C to Type-C cable, pre-installed SIM card, quick start guide, terms and conditions. So you send it stuff in the box there. So yeah, there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus is not here at Verizon Prepaid. Only the Lavender version is not in stock right now as I'm recording this video, so keep that in mind. So if you guys are looking to get a Galaxy phone on Verizon Prepaid, here you guys go. It's $9.99, $99 or $11.19, $99 respectively. So check it out there. So keep in mind that the Galaxy S23 Plus has a flat display, so keep that in mind. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.